the Minooy leather bag. This is real, authentic leather. It has one pocket right here on the front, and it has a strap here that you can carry it. You can crossbody it, and then if you don't like that, you can also take that strap off or leave it hanging and use it as a shoulder bag. This bag has lots of capabilities and lots of room in it. So you can fit your cell phone, you can fit your keys, you can fit multiple cards, you can fit some cash. Then you have another pouch back here for whatever you might like. There's a little thing here for your pen to go on. And then also on the back here, there's a little zippered pouch here as well. So you have plenty of room in this purse and totally so many options on what different things you can do with this purse. It's super high quality material, it's super soft, and they send it in this nice little dust bag for you so that when you're not carrying the purse, you can put it back in the dust bag in your closet and it will not get dusty and it will not dry out. So obviously with it being real leather, you just need to clean it with a leather cleaner that is safe for leather. But I highly recommend this just because of the versatility. I like the compactness, the fact that it is so compact, and it's easy for me to carry. So I have 3 children, and this is just so easy for me to just do my business, and this stays right on my shoulder. So I think that this is a wonderful bag, and I would highly recommend it to you or a friend. And I think you should get you one. You can wear it this way, or you can wear it this way, or you can wear it this way. So not only is it super high quality and very good material, it is super beautiful. It can be worn several different ways, and it will be a perfect accent to any outfit you may wear.